Welcome to our Kontentino Dashboard tutorial. Let's walk through its key features and show you all the possibilities. One of the first things you can find here is the list of social media profiles. Simply click on a profile to access its calendar. Here, you'll see all the posts planned for that profile, helping you easily manage your content plan. Now, let's explore the posts overview. You can browse through the days to find a comprehensive list of posts planned for that day. Whether it's for today, tomorrow, or even yesterday, you'll have a complete and quick overview of your planned content. Moving on to My Tasks. This section displays all tasks assigned to you. It's your personal to-do list, ensuring you're on top of your responsibilities and deadlines. Lastly, we have the Waiting for Tasks section. It's divided into two parts, by channel and by user. Here are also the tasks you've assigned to others and are awaiting completion. This section will help you track all the progress and keep your workflow coordination efficient. If you have any additional questions, don't be shy to contact our customer support team. We're here for you and happy to help anytime. Thank you for watching and have a great time with Kontentino.